In this video, I'm going to show you how to rename a page in Gamma site quickly and easily. If you're organizing your Gamma website, cleaning up page names, or simply updating a page title to make your project easier to manage, this is a very useful feature to know. The best part is that it only takes a few clicks. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Gamma site project and make sure you're inside the workspace where the page you want to rename is located. Once your project is open, look for the Pages panel. This is where Gamma lists all of the pages in your site, so you can manage them from one place. If you don't see the Pages panel right away, take a moment to find it in the sidebar so you can view your site structure. Now, hover over the page you want to rename. When you move your cursor over that page, Gamma will reveal more options for that specific page. This is where the page controls appear, and it's what allows you to make changes without opening the page itself. Next, click the three-dot menu next to the page name. This menu usually contains extra actions for managing the page, including editing, moving, duplicating, deleting, and renaming. From the list of options, choose Rename. As soon as you click it, Gamma will let you edit the current page name. Now type the new page name you want to use. Make sure the name is clear, easy to understand, and matches the content of the page. For example, if this page is about your services, your team, or a specific topic, use a name that helps you stay organized and makes sense for visitors and future editing. After typing the new name, confirm the change. In many cases, the page name updates immediately inside Gamma, so you can see the new label right away in your Pages panel. That means the page is now renamed inside your project. If your site has already been published, you may need to publish the site again so the update appears live on the public version of your Gamma site. This is an important final step if you want the new page name to reflect on the live site and keep everything consistent. Once that's done, your selected page will now use the new name, and your site structure will be easier to manage moving forward. So that's how to rename a page in Gamma site in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Gamma tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software guide you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.